Python string.replace regular expression. I have a parameter file of the form, where the parameters may be in any order, but there is only one parameter per line. I want to replace one parameter's parameter value with a new value. I am using a line replace function posted previously to replace the line which uses Python's string.replace pattern, sub. The regular expression that I'm using works for instance in Vim, but doesn't appear to work in string.replace. Here is the regular expression that I'm using. Where interface EF data file is the parameter name that I'm replacing, /i for case insensitive, and the new parameter value is the contents of the filing variable. Is there a way to get Python to recognize this regular expression, or else is there another way to accomplish this task?
str.replace v2 vertical bar v3 does not recognize regular expressions. To perform a substitution using a regular expression, use re.sub v2 vertical bar v3. For example, in a loop, it would be better to compile the regular expression first.
You are looking for the re.sub function. We'll print example lettering.
As a summary,
Re.sub is definitely what you are looking for. And so you don't need the anchors and the wildcards. We'll do the same thing matching the first substring that looks like interface EF data file and replacing it.